हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हो आप सब लोग? बढ़िया हो गए ऐसी आशा है मेरी। और आज हम वापस लेके आए हैं एक नया रेसिपी वीडियो, और वो है एक पनीर ग्रेवी, और जो आप सब घर पे बना सकते हो, और ये भी घर पे ही बनाया हुआ है। तो ये एक होम मेड वीडियो है और होम स्टाइल रेसिपी के लिए जो आप सब आसानी से बना सकते हो। सो लेट्स गो फॉर द रेसिपी। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस चैनल, डू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल, एंड या लेट्स गो। For making the paneer gravy, we need the 4 medium tomatoes and 2 onions, with along with garlic ginger paste, and then the whole spices, oil, and jeera for the tadka. And then we have to boil the tomatoes and peel the skin after boiling. Please mention that the tomatoes will be hot after boiling, so be careful while taking off the lid. Then splutter with the mustard seeds and jeera in the oil, and then add whole spices to the pan. Then wait for the spices to get, and then add onion. If you paste the onion, then it will be good. It will be more easily to get sauteed. Otherwise you can use chopped onion or julienne sliced onions. Then here we use kasturi methi, kitchen king masala, and red chili powder along with turmeric powder. After the sauteing of the onion, when it gets golden brown, add all the spices and mix well. Then at least stir it for 2 to 3 minutes till the spices get cooked, and then add a little bit of water, and then go wait till the oil come up, and then at last step add the paneer to, and a little bit of oil. Then add paneer to it, marinated paneer, which is salt, pepper, and red chili marination, and add the paneer to the oil and saute it well till it gets crisp on the top and golden brown. Then wait for 2 minutes until it gets golden brown. Then uh, we add the sauteed paneer to the
दाल
gravy. We can see the oil has already come up, so we'll add the paneer to it, the sauteed paneer,
तो
marinated
डिपेंड
sauteed
करता है
paneer,
कंपनी के
and then we will
परफॉर्मेंस पे।
mix the gravy along with it. So I have to mention here, we haven't used the cream anything.
चालू है ना?
So you can, if you want, you can add the cream or butter on top along with the coriander seeds. And so here is the plating video. I hope you enjoyed the video, so like, share, and comment. Thank you guys. Bye bye till the next time.